Then, this is our secret sauce right here. Super secret. There's no label on it because it's magic. That's what we tell people. What do you put in your water to clean them? Why does it make them look so good? When we're doing squeegee work, we put our magic solution in it. About like that. It's about a capful per gallon, roughly, give or take. There's that. Now, if you really want to know what it is, it's not that secret. All right, so this is just to prep getting ready for doing the interior windows. Whenever we have any question about the water that we have used, if it's not fresh, if it's not clean on an interior job, we want to replace it when we get to a house. This job in particular, the water's turned off. This is the main water coming into the house, so we got to turn it on. This allows us to have, of course, access to the water throughout the house as we do it, but we got to make sure we close that when we're all done, so that we're not, we leave things the way we find them. Anyway, so whenever we have, get a shot of this. We got all of our extra old dirty water in there. Oops. Turn the valve on too. Got to turn the valve on before the water will come out. Anyway. We just rinse it out, make sure it's relatively clean for what we have. I don't like overfilling the bucket, so if you notice here, it's about 2 inches deep or so, maybe 3 at the most. And that's all we need. And it gets really heavy if you add too much water to it. Then, this is our secret sauce right here. Super secret. There's no label on it because it's magic. That's what we tell people. What do you put in your water to clean them? Why does it make them look so good? When we're doing squeegee work, we put our magic solution in it. About like that. It's about a capful per gallon, roughly, give or take. There's that. Now, if you really want to know what it is, it's not that secret. Joy. We bring joy. We put joy in our water. Joy dish soap, Dawn dish soap, any of the basic dish soaps will work fine. Joy just has a nice lemony smell that our customers have gotten used to, and it works for us. The other thing we do besides fresh water in the bucket is we make sure our strip mops get rinsed out. If we don't rinse them out regularly, they just start to build up and hold on to the old dirt, and it just gets gross. Rinse it out, wring it out, whenever you need to do. If it's gotten too dirty that rinsing it out doesn't work, then you need to replace the actual outer part of the strip mop, the scrubber part. It detaches from the handle itself, and you can just replace it with a fresh one. But that's the basics. I usually keep an extra squeegee in there. I have a couple of different styles. I'm really comfortable with either one, and certain windows are easier to clean with, depending on what we're doing with either one. For this one, we're going to start with our Mormon Liquidator 3.0, and if we need to, we'll bring in our standard Unger Ergotech with the long handle. Both of them are 18-inch, and that's I'll use either of these for what we're doing today. But that's how we prep our buckets. That's the soap we use, and it's, it's window cleaning. It's not rocket science.